Today, I am excited to talk to you about synthetic biology. Now, don't worry if you haven't heard of it or if it sounds a bit technical. But by the end of this talk, you'll not only know what synthetic biology is, but how it's going to impact the future. Before we get started, I want to ask you all a quick question. Have you ever wished you could design something new, like a superhero with superpowers? Well, in synthetic biology, we're kind of like nature's designers. Except, instead of superheroes, we're designing living organisms. Pretty cool, right? So, what is synthetic biology? Essentially, it's all about taking what we know on biology and using it to design something new. Think of it like this. If cells are tiny machines, then synthetic biology is a toolkit we use to program or build those machines, enabling us to design organisms for specific tasks, such as creating medicines, designing, helping understand environmental issues. Let's break it down. Synthetic means to create something new. Biology is all about life, whether it's cells, plants, animals, or even humans. So, in synthetic biology, we're basically designing life. Now, why should we care for synthetic biology? Well, it's not just about making things glow. Synthetic biology has the potential to solve some of the biggest challenges we face today. Imagine being able to create crops that grow in extreme weather conditions, helping solve food shortages, producing bacteria that eats plastic, helping clean pollution in our oceans, engineering human cells to fight diseases such as cancer more effectively than ever. And here's where you come in. What's something you care about? Think for a second. Maybe it's climate change, or maybe it's health issues. Whatever it is, synthetic biology might be able to help tackle it. Alright, let's talk about how this actually works. Synthetic biologists often start by studying DNA. DNA is made up of 4 letters, A, T, C, and G, that form instructions to build every part of an organism. Synthetic biologists often start by rewriting those instructions, by changing the sequence of these letters. By changing the sequence of these letters, synthetic biologists can give an organism new abilities. For example, making organisms produce medicine, or algae that can generate fuel. Now, where is this all going? The possibilities are endless. Synthetic biology could revolutionize everything from healthcare to energy to the environment. It's kind of like coding, but instead of programming computers, we're programming living things. Just like how you can code a robot to follow a set of instructions, scientists can code organisms to do things they wouldn't usually do, such as making bacteria produce insulin as a diabetes treatment. So, imagine walking into a pharmacy, and instead of picking up a bottle of pills, you take a capsule filled with microorganisms that are programmed to fix whatever's wrong with your body, or factories powered by algae that produces energy without pollution. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Before I wrap up, I want to ask you all a quick question. If you could design something to solve a problem, what would it be? Maybe a plant that absorbs all the carbon dioxide in the air, or bacteria that cleans oil spills. Whatever it is, share your ideas with the person next to you. But remember, synthetic biology is a tool, and it is up to us to use it wisely. Thank you for listening. I hope this talk has sparked some inspiration, some curiosity on synthetic biology.